Are you ready for calendar time? Good! Then sing with me.
Sunday, Monday, what comes next? Tuesday, Wednesday, you know the rest. Thursday and Friday, it's nearly the end until Saturday, start of the weekend. Yeah! In January and February, we're starting the year. March and April, spring is here. Now it's May and June, and we're having fun. July and August, we're soaking up the sun. Autumn breeze in September and October too. November, remember thankfulness, and December. The year is through. It's calendar time.
Today is Wednesday, June 30th, 2021. Today is the last day in June. It's almost a new month. Do you know what month comes after June? January, February, March, April, May, June, July. Tomorrow will be July 1st, a new month. Do you know what yesterday was? Yes, yesterday was Tuesday, June 29th, 2021. Today's number is the number 30. It's the 30th day of June. Are you ready to count down from 30 to count all the way back to the 1st of June? Let's do it. 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's do number bonds with our number 30. 30 goes in the big bubble. Let's split 30 into two parts. 30 is an even number. We can do doubles. What's half of 30? 15. 15 and 15 goes in the two smaller bubbles. That means 15 plus 15 equals 30. Okay, let's try another one. What about expanded form? How many tens do we have? 3. That means we have 30 in the tens place. If we put 30 in a small bubble, how many do we have left to put in the other small bubble? 0. There's 0 in the ones place in 30. 30 plus 0 equals 30. Let's move 30 to one of the smaller bubbles. Now we need a number that's bigger than 30 to go in our large bubble. 31. How much bigger than 30 is 31? 1 bigger. 1 goes in the other small circle. 31 minus 30 equals 1. What if we put 40 in the big bubble? How much more is 40 than 30? If we count by tens, we just count from 30 straight to 40. That's because 40 is 10 more than 30. Let's put 10 in the other small bubble. 40 minus 30 equals 10. Great job doing number bonds with me. Let's make some change. How can we make 30 with the coins that we have here? Could we use dimes? Dimes are worth 10 cents. Let's count by dimes. 10, 20, 30. 3 dimes makes exactly 30 cents. Could we make 30 cents another way? Let's use a quarter. We don't get to use a quarter very often during calendar time. A quarter is worth 25 cents. Let's start with 25. 25. How much more do we need to get to 30? 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. We need 5 more. We have a coin that's worth 5, a nickel. Let's use a nickel to get the rest of the way to 30. 25, 30. 2 ways to make 30 cents. What's the weather like where you are today? We're having a windy day here. Let's add windy to our weather bar graph. Let's make a bar up to the first line. This is our first windy day of calendar time during June, July, and August. We've had 2 rainy days, 3 sunny days, 2 cloudy days, 1 partly cloudy day, 1 windy day, and 0 snowy days. Time to add to our doodle bug. It's the 90th day of calendar time. We're only 10 calendar time days away from 100. We're going to have a special celebration on the 100th day of calendar time, and I need some help from you. Will you find 100 of something? It could be something you find in your house, maybe a toy or a food item, or it could be something that you find outside in nature. Find 100 of something, count out 100, then take a picture of it and ask an adult to email the picture to me. My email is here and is also linked in the description below. Email me a picture of 100 of something, and we're going to use it for our 100-day celebration. Now, let's add 90 to our doodle bug. We've had 90 days of calendar time. Let's count by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, 60, 62, 64, 66, 68, 70, 72, 74, 76, 78, 80, 82, 84, 86, 88, 90. Let's count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90. Let's count by 10s. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Let's count by 12s. 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84. Let's count by 25s. 25, 50, 75. Let's add another straw. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 groups of 10 straws, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 straws all by themselves. We need to put them in another group of 10. 10 ones makes one group of 10. Another group of 10 means that we now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 groups of straws grouped into groups of 10, and 0 straws in groups of 1. 9 tens, 0 ones makes 90 straws. We've had 90 days of calendar time. Let's see what happened today in history. This is the United States Congress in session. On June 30th, 1906, the U.S. Congress passed the Meat Inspection Act and the Pure Food and Drug Act. These laws were made to protect the people buying food and medicines. Journalists had been reporting on how dirty slaughterhouses and food packing factories were. These acts forced companies to clean things up and start properly labeling the food they were selling. Congress told food companies that they were responsible or accountable for making sure that their factories were clean and making sure the food they were selling was properly labeled. Today, Wednesday, June 30th, 2021, you can look at labels on all the food items that you eat and appreciate that the food companies were responsible and told you what's in what you're eating.
Go check the calendar and you can say what month it is and the day.